Good morning children, welcome back to your social science class. Today we are going to discuss climate in the northern plains and lifestyle of the people living in northern plains. First we can discuss climate in northern plains. We already discussed the northern plains extends from west to east. So we already studied which are the states it extends from. Yes, we studied west it is Punjab and east it is Assam. So northern plains extend in between Punjab and Assam, that we already studied. So the climate in the entire area is not same. So the climate will be different in the different part of the northern plains. So how is the climate varies, that we can discuss now. So in the case of central plains and western plains, so we can divide these northern plains into three, isn't it? Which are the three? Yes, western plains, central plains and eastern plains. So in the case of western plains and central plains, in the summer season it is very hot. Summer it is very hot and winter it is very cold. That is the climate in the central and western plains. Okay, so how is the climate in the western plains and central plains? Yes, summer it is very hot and winter it is very cold. Okay, then in the case of eastern plains winters are cool and pleasant. In the case of eastern plains, winters are cool and pleasant. Then during the rainy season, how will the rainfall will receiving in the each plains? Yes, during the rainy season, eastern plains get heavy rainfall. Eastern plains means we know the part near to the Assam all get very heavy rainfall. Okay, so eastern plains get heavy rainfall. In the case of central plains, means you know Uttar Pradesh, that part and all belong to central plains. In the central plains, it get good rainfall receive in the central plains. But in the case of western plains get only very less rainfall. That is the climate in the each plains. Okay, so how is the climate in the northern plains? Once again we will discuss. Okay, so in the case of central plains and western plains, summer it is very hot and winter it is very cold. That is the climate in the central and western plains. In the case of eastern plains are very cool and pleasant in the winter. The winter season it is very cool and pleasant climate will be there in the eastern plains. Okay, then during the rainy season, in the eastern plains get heavy rainfall, then central plains get good rainfall and western plains get less rainfall. This is the climate in the northern plains. Now let us discuss the lifestyle of the people in northern plains. Lifestyle of the people in northern plains. So we already studied northern plains are very fertile. The soil is very fertile here. So most of the people are farmers here. Main occupation of the people living here are agriculture is the main occupation. So the people mainly doing agriculture. And what are the food they eat, children? Yes, they eat rice, roti, dal, vegetables, milk and milk products. Okay, so that is the main food item eaten by the people living in the northern plains. So what are the food people eat here? Rice, roti, dal, vegetables, milk and milk products. That are the food eaten by the people living in northern plains. So we already studied which are the states these northern plains are covered. So we know which are the states. Yes, Punjab and Haryana, Uttar Pradesh and Bihar, West Bengal, Assam and Tripura. These are the states these northern plains are extended. Okay, so first we can discuss the lifestyle of the people living in Punjab and Haryana. So what are the main occupation of the people living in Punjab and Haryana? Yes, farming or agriculture is the main occupation of the people living in Punjab and Haryana. People mainly grow here rice, wheat and mustard. Okay, rice, wheat and mustard are the main crops growing here. Then dairy farming also main occupation here. Dairy farming means taking care of animals like cow, buffaloes for getting milk. Okay, so dairy farming is the another important occupation of the people living in Punjab and Haryana. Okay, What is the main language spoken by people in Punjab and Haryana? Yes, the people in Punjab speak Punjabi and people in Haryana speak Haryanvi. Okay, these are the two languages spoken by the people living in Punjab and Haryana. Okay, then what is the clothes of the people? Which type of clothes people wear here? Yes, women wear salwar kameez and men wear kurta and pajama here. Okay, so what is the clothes of the people living in Punjab and Haryana? Yes, women wear salwar kameez and men wear kurta and pajama. Okay, sometimes men used to wear turban also. Turban means cap, also used to wear by the people living in Punjab and Haryana. Okay, so that is the clothes of the people living in Punjab and Haryana. The main festival of the people living in Punjab is Baisakhi. Okay, Baisakhi is the harvest festival in Punjab. It celebrates in the month of mid-April. April month only they celebrate this festival Baisakhi. Okay, next we can discuss the life of the people living in Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. Okay, Uttar Pradesh and Bihar, what is the main occupation of the people here? Yes, farming is the main occupation of the people living in Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. Rice, wheat, sugarcane and pulses are the main crops growing here. Okay, rice, wheat, sugarcane and pulses are the main crops grown here, and you have to study mainly the languages spoken by the people in Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. Okay, so what is the main language spoken by the people in Uttar Pradesh? Hindi and Urdu. Okay, Hindi and Urdu is the main language spoken by the people in Uttar Pradesh. Bhojpuri, Maithili and Hindi in Bihar. So which are the languages spoken by the people in Bihar? Bhojpuri, Maithili and Hindi are the languages spoken by the people in Bihar. Okay, here women wear saris and men wear kurta and pajama. Okay, so what is the clothes people wear here? Women wear saris. People in Uttar Pradesh and Bihar wear which type of clothes? Yes, women wear saris and men wear kurta and pajama. Okay, the main festival the people celebrate here are Diwali, Eid and Holi. Okay, what is the main festival of the people living in Uttar Pradesh and Bihar? Yes, Diwali, Eid and Holi are the festivals in Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. Okay, so what are the main festivals? Diwali, Eid and Holi are the main festival living in the people in Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. Okay, so the main occupation of the people are farming. Rice, wheat and sugarcane and pulses are the main crops grown by the people in Uttar Pradesh, and people mainly speak which language? The Uttar Pradesh people speak Hindi and Urdu, and in the Bihar people speak Bhojpuri, Maithili and Hindi. Okay, then which kind of clothes people wear? Women wear saris and men wear kurta and pajama. The main festival of the people living here are Diwali, Eid and Holi. Okay, then next we can discuss the people living in West Bengal. Okay, West Bengal also, what is the main occupation of the people? Yes, it is farming. Rice and jute are the main crops grown here. Okay, so farming is the main occupation of the people. Rice and jute are the main crops grown here. Then people speak Bengali. West Bengal, what is the language spoken by people? Bengali. Okay, women wear saris and men wear kurta and dhoti here. Okay, so women wear saris and men wear kurta and dhoti. The main festival in West Bengal is Durga Puja. Okay, Durga Puja is the main festival of people living in West Bengal. How is the lifestyle of the people living in West Bengal? Yes, agriculture is the main occupation. Rice and jute are the main crops grown here. Then people speak which language? Yes, Bengali. Then which kind of clothes people wear? Yes, women wear saris and men wear kurta and dhoti. Okay, the main festival of the people living in West Bengal is Durga Puja. Okay, next we can discuss the lifestyle of the people living in Assam and Tripura. Okay, Assam and Tripura, the people mainly growing the crops like rice, tea, jute and fruits such as oranges and pineapples. These are the main crops grown in Assam and Tripura. Okay, so what are the main crops grown in Assam and Tripura? Yes, people grow rice, tea, jute and fruits such as oranges and pineapples. Okay, so rice, tea and jute are the main crops, and some of the fruits also growing here are oranges and pineapples. Okay, so these are the main crops grown here. So people in Assam also mainly doing agriculture as their occupation. Okay, then the main language spoken here are Assamese in Assam. So what is the main language in Assam? Assamese and Bengali and Tripuri in Tripura. So what are the languages spoken by the people in Tripura? Bengali and Tripuri in Tripura. Okay, so the language in Assam is Assamese, and language in Tripura it is Bengali and Tripuri. Okay, then which type of clothes the people wear here? Yes, in Assam women wear mekla chadar. Okay, it is a two-piece cloth. Okay, so which type of clothes people wear in Assam? Yes, the people women in Assam wear Mekla Chadar. Mekla Chadar is a two-piece cloth, and sari in Tripura. Okay, Tripura, which is the cloth used by women? Yes, sari. Sari is the clothes in Tripura. Which type of clothes men wear? Yes, in the both states. That means in the men in Assam and Tripura wear kurta and dhoti. Okay, kurta and dhoti is the clothes wear by men in both states. Then main festival here are what is the main harvest festival in Assam? Yes, it is Bihu. You already studied in the lower classes, right? Okay, Assam. What is the main festival in Assam? Yes, it is Bihu. Harvest festival in Assam is Bihu. This much only you have to study about the lifestyle of the people living in Assam and Tripura. Okay, so Assam and Tripura, what is the main occupation of the people? Yes, farming. What is the main crop they grow? Yes, rice, tea, jute, and some of the fruits like oranges and pineapples are growing here. What is the language of people living in Assam? Yes, Assamese. Then what is the language of Tripura? Bengali and Tripuri. Okay, then which is the clothes people wear here? Women in Assam, women wear mekla chadar, that is a two-piece cloth, and in the case of women in Tripura, they wear sari. Okay, then what is the cloth wear by men? Yes, men wear kurta and dhoti in both states. Both in Assam and Tripura, men wear kurta and dhoti. Then what is the main harvest festival in Assam? Yes, Bihu is the harvest festival in Assam. So this much only you have to study about the lifestyle of the people living in Assam and Tripura. Now we discuss the lifestyle of the people living in northern plains. Now everybody need to take your workbook, page number 12. Yes. Third lesson is lifestyle of the people. So first we can discuss the complete the sentence. Okay. Yes. A. People living in Punjab speak mostly dash, mostly Punjabi. They mostly eat dash. They mostly eat rice, roti, dal, vegetables and milk. Men wear dash. Men wear kurta and pajama, while women wear dash. Women wear salwar and kameez. Okay. They celebrate dash. They celebrate Baisakhi. Okay. So people living in Punjab speak mostly Punjabi. They mostly eat rice, roti, dal, vegetables and milk. Men wear kurta and pajama, while women wear salwar kameez, and they celebrate Baisakhi. Baisakhi is the harvest festival in Punjab. Okay. Then B. People living in Uttar Pradesh speak mostly Hindi and Urdu. Hindi and Urdu is the language speak by the people living in Uttar Pradesh. They mostly eat rice, roti, dal, vegetables and milk. They mostly eat rice, roti, dal, vegetables and milk. Men wear kurta and pajama. Men wear kurta and pajama while women wear saris. While women wear saris. They celebrate Diwali, Holi and Eid. So people living in Uttar Pradesh mainly celebrate Diwali, Holi and Eid. Okay. Then third one, see, people living in Assam speak mostly Assamese. People living in Assam speak mostly Assamese. They mostly eat rice, roti, dal and vegetables. Okay, what they eat? They mostly eat rice, roti, dal and vegetables. Then men wear kurta and dhoti. Men wear kurta and dhoti, and while women wear mekla chadar. Women wear mekla chadar. We already discussed it is a two-piece clothes. Mekla chadar. They celebrate dash. They celebrate Bihu. Bihu is the harvest festival of Assam we studied. Okay, so second question. What do most of the people in the northern plains eat and wear? Give reason. So we already studied what is the food of northern plains. Yes, people eat rice, roti, dal, vegetables and milk. Milk and milk product also we can give. Okay, which kind of clothes people wear? Yes, they wear clothes which can keep them cool and comfortable while working in the fields. Okay, so which type of clothes they wear? They wear clothes which can keep them cool and comfortable while working in the fields. So how can we write the answer? People eat rice, roti, dal, vegetables and milk, and they wear clothes which can keep them cool and comfortable while working in the fields. Third question. How do the physical features of northern plains affect the food the people eat and clothes they wear? How are these different from what people eat and wear in the northern mountains? So what is the question? How do physical features of northern plains affect the food the people eat and clothes they wear? That is the first question. And second question, how are these different from what people eat and wear in the northern mountains? So we have to find out the difference. People in the plains eat rice, wheat, pulses, vegetables, milk, etc. and wear clothes which can keep them cool and comfortable. Okay, so how is the food and clothes of the people living in northern plains? People in plains eat rice, wheat, pulses, vegetables, milk, etc. and wear clothes which can keep them cool and comfortable. Then how is the food and clothes of the people living in mountains? Yes, the people in the mountains eat high fiber food and wear warm clothes because climate is very cold here. Okay, so how can we write the answer? The people in the mountains eat high fiber food and wear warm clothes because which climate is very cold here, cold there. Okay, so this is the way you can write the answer. Okay, so now let us discuss the practice questions. Next we can discuss practice question. Practice question number 7. What is the climate in the northern plains? The climate in the northern plains is not same in the entire area. So how is the climate we can discuss now. Western plains and central plains, it is very hot in the summer and very cold in winter. In the case of eastern plains, the winters are cool and pleasant. Then during the rainy season, in the eastern plains get heavy rainfall, central plains get good rainfall and western plains get less rainfall. This is the way you can write the answer. So hope you all understood today's class. So we can meet in the next class. Okay, bye.